Today we're going to do basic startup on the WorldDrive Electric Flex Control variable frequency drive. We have unboxed our unit, have it sitting on the desk, and now I will apply power. Once power is applied, a Start Easy Set screen will appear. It has no, and no is what we were going to do in this video, which means a manual setup. If you click yes, scroll down to the yes button, that is the easy startup selection in which we made the earlier video on. For this video, we are going to do no. We'll scroll up, select no, and we will do the manual setup today. The next screen will prompt us at frequency. We will scroll over and input 60 Hertz for our max frequency of our motor. We will hit enter to store our frequency. Now we need to go into and set up our parameters. We will hit the mode button. In the left hand corner you will see DRV, which is our drive parameters. Please refer to the manual for all the parameters inside the DRV section. Today we're going to set up DRV 03. We will scroll down to 03 for acceleration time. To access that parameter, we must hit enter, and you can see we have a factory default of 20 seconds. We're going to change the default from 20 seconds to 11 seconds using the keypad. Hit enter to store. We will scroll down to DRV04, deceleration time. Hit enter to access the parameter. Factory default is 30 seconds. We're going to change that to 14 seconds using our keypad. Hit enter to store. Again, using the down arrow button, we will go to DRV06, our command source. For this video, we'll be using our keypad on the VFD, so we're going up arrow to keypad and hitting enter to store. Scroll down and we will see frequency reference source. We're going to be using keypad today in our video, using the keypad on the drive. If we did want to use our terminal strips, we would go to V1 and we could wire up a potentiometer or a speed pot in that configuration, but for this video we're going to be using the keypad. We're going to scroll across using our right button, and now you will see BAS. BAS is our basic parameters. Inside this you will find our motor data information. We will need to scroll down to BAS 11. And you will see motor poles. We will hit enter to access the parameter. Factory default is 4. We can scroll down to 2 for 2-pole 3600 and up to 6 for 6-pole 1200. Our motor today is 4-pole 1800, so we will select 4-pole and then enter. Now we will scroll down to BA13 parameter, which is a very important one for full load amps. Factory default is 3.4. Our motor today is 2.2. Using our arrow keys to make that selection and then enter to save. At this point in time, our manual setup is done. We can actually run our motor with just those few parameters we set. We will hit the escape key to get back to the home screen. And now we're able to hit the hand button and the motor will operate. We have 3 lines of display. As you can see, we're Hertz, RPM, and amps. Those lines are also configurable. Please see operation instruction manual. We will now hit the off button. As you guys can hear in the back, the fans in the VFD are running, so we're going to go and make a change to our parameters. So now we will hit the mode button, and you will see the DRV parameters again. We're going to scroll over to our ADV parameters. Our ADV is our advanced parameter group, and inside this group we will find our fan controls. Please reference the manual for all parameters inside the unit. As you can see, there is a jump code, and the jump code allows us to go directly to a parameter. Our fan control is AD64, and I can get there quickly without having to scroll up and down through all the parameters. We're going to enter to access it. We are going to scroll down to 2 for temp control, and when the drive gets hot, it will then have a thermostat turn the fans on for us. So we will go back now to our right arrow key, and we will see CON, and that's our control group. Inside our control group, you will find our carrier frequency in 04. We will scroll down to that. This unit is set at 3 kilohertz. We can change our carrier frequency up to 15 kilohertz on this particular unit to be able to phase out any motor noise. For this purpose, we will change ours to 5. So we'll scroll up to 5, make enter as our selection. We will right arrow over, and you will see IN parameters. This is our input terminals. We will scroll right again to our output terminals. We will scroll right again, and you will see COM for communication group. Inside our communication group, this is where we actually have to go set up to use our Worldwide Electric Drive Pro software. The Drive Pro software is free on our website at worldwideelectric.net. We're going to use our jump code to go to parameter 28. We will hit enter, and then once we're there, we will be able to make the selection to MyBus RTU. We have to make this selection. We might enter. Now we've done that, our Drive Pro software can communicate to the Flex Control VFD. Very, very simple to do. As we over right arrow again, we will see our PID settings. So if we're using a transducer or need a PID mode, this is where we will go in and input the information for our PID mode. Scroll right over, you will see AP1. That's our advanced parameters where we can add additional information for our PID mode. Scroll over right again, AP2, advanced parameters 2. If we scroll down into advanced parameters 2, you will see our pump clean software inside the advanced parameters 2. We will scroll right again, and you'll see advanced parameter 3, and this is where we see our timers and our calendars to set events and time. Scrolling right again, we will see our protection group. And inside this protection group, we can set backspin, phase loss, other protection units. Now we're back to the DRV group where we started before. If we hit our escape key, we will be back to our home screen, and now we're able to run the motor again. As you can see, we're ramping up over the time we set earlier in the parameter set for ramp time. We're going to get to 60 cycles, and now I'm going to show you how to change your RPM via the keypad. If we needed a 50 hertz, we would just simply mash down to 50. We can mash the down arrow again to 40. You will see the speed change as well, 30. Now we maybe need 36 hertz. We can arrow over and then ramp up to 36 hertz. We hope you find this video educational. Please visit us at worldwideelectric.net, or if you need our tech support line, please call us at 844-WWE-SERV. Thanks and have a great day.